Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, we shall create the wave-like animations in Blender by using dynamic paints. So let's start our video. First we have default Blender and delete everything. Press Shift A to add a plane. Scale it. Make subdivision to this scale into the edit mode. Subdivide this plane, the number of cuts to 50. Enter into the object mode. Make it shade smooth. Then press Shift A to add a UV sphere. Also make it shade smooth and scale down. Nice. We also add a curve circle. This UV sphere follow this circle to create wave-like simulation in this plane. Nice. Enter into the object constraint properties. From here I select follow path and select Bezier curve. Nice, follow curve and animate the path. Now I select plane and in physics properties here I select canvas and shall add canvas. Scroll down and surface type wave. Nice. Select sphere. In physics properties choose dynamic paint and here this time we choose brush. Add brush. Nice. Now run the simulation. Beautiful. Now I add some material. Enter into the shading mode. From here I select plane. In material properties select new material and here I select glossy BSDS. From here I select the water material, roughness, decrease the roughness, okay, and blend, alpha blend. Nice. I also add some material to this UV sphere, anyone you choose. Okay, now run the simulation and check the result. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.